More than 750 people signed a petition calling for more enforcement of dog leash laws in Colorado Springs. And tonight, we are getting answers to some of those concerns people have raised. Fox 21's Hunter Phipps has been following this and spoke with the Humane Society to get some answers.
Rachel, the Humane Society of the Pikes Peak region has a patrol unit that specifically works on the dog leash laws here in Colorado Springs. And the shelter tells us it does what it can with the officers available, but also says it is seeing a rise in incidents involving dogs not on leashes.
A lot of people don't listen to that because there are really no repercussions right now.
After telling you about concerns of dog leash enforcement for Colorado Springs on Sunday, Fox 21 is getting answers from those who are responsible for enforcing those laws.
We do proactively patrol parks, and we are out there.
Officer Kelly Naporalski says some of the unleashed dog incidents come with unfortunate timing.
The attack happens before we're able to respond or while we're not there, so we're responding after the fact.
Naporalski also says aggressive dogs who are not on leashes are a problem, adding dangerous animal investigations are up 28% in Colorado Springs from this time last year. HSPPR adds it received 256 calls for aggressive dogs through April.
It's not great.
Some confusion comes from reporting itself. We asked what exactly is needed to file a report.
Our dispatch is going to ask a lot of questions for descriptions of the animals, as well as descriptions of owners, if owners are present. What direction did they go? Did you get a license plate? Maybe you're at a trailhead.
Naporalski adds if a person is hurt to call 911, but in the case of a hurt animal or threat to attack,
give us a call here at Animal Law Enforcement and we will send an officer out to help.
We also reached out to local city leaders for comment on the concerns.
That is also the end of our meeting today, and we are now adjourned.
The council had an over 5-hour meeting Tuesday, and we were not able to talk to one of them in an on-camera interview. However, Councilmember Dave Donaldson did respond via email, and he says he has not heard many complaints, but added, quote, "I do believe it is a concern of many citizens because of the potential fights between leashed and unleashed dogs, impact on wildlife, and fear of being bitten by an unleashed dog."
Along with the aggressive dog calls, Naporalski also told us there have been 735 calls through April from folks in Colorado Springs reporting dogs at large in the city. Rachel?